Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add restart button to iPhone home screen. And yeah, for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down and I'm going to go ahead and type here shortcuts. Click that one over there and then click this plus sign right here. And in the search actions, I'm going to go ahead and look for shutdown. There you go. I'm going to click that one. And then first thing is shutdown. I'm going to click that and replace that with restart. And then at the top, I'm going to click that as well and then rename it. I'm going to go ahead and rename this to restart as well. Tap the checkbox down here and I'm good to go. So once that's done, the next thing that we're going to do is click on it once again, and then you have the option here to add to home screen, and then you're going to go ahead and choose the symbol here and the color. So for the color, let's choose green, and for the symbol, we can go ahead and check below. Let's go ahead and use this one for now, right? And then click add right there, and you should be able to see it now here. So if you're going to click that, it's just going to automatically restart your phone. And again, everybody, that's how you're going to add restart button to iPhone home screen.